Okay, so let's do the area of a triangle now. So I'm going to draw my triangle. We'll just start with the right triangle to make it easier at first. So I claim that the area for this triangle is area equals half of the base times the height. So here I have the base times the height. So I claim that it's half of the base times the height, though, because if you recall, our rectangle area was our length times our width, or our base times our height. So if I draw in the rest of that rectangle, this triangle is half of this total rectangle. So let's try this out. So if I have a triangle that looks like this, that doesn't really look like a right triangle. Even if you rotate it, it's not a perfect right triangle by any means. So what I'm going to do is, and it doesn't matter how it's oriented, you can do this any way it's oriented. So I'm going to look at this base right here, and then this right here is not our height because it's not straight up and down. Your height has to be perpendicular to your base. So I want the height h right here that's perpendicular to the base. So let's try that triangle again, or a triangle similar to it. So we have this triangle here. So I'm just going to say that this bottom part is 9 inches, okay? And then I'm going to say that this height right here is 3 inches. So it doesn't matter what length this is or what length this is. So I'm going to do A equals half times 3 times 9. So we know that 3 times 9 is 27. So we have area equals half times 27, which equals 13 and a half. And that's going to be in inches squared. So now if we look at another triangle, I'm going to look at, let's say that this side is 9, and then we're going to say that this side over here is a little bit longer, so we're going to make it 11. We're going to say that this side is 15, and then we'll throw in the height is probably 7 or so. So we are not going to multiply our 15 by our 9 because we know that that 9 is not our height. This 7 is our height. So you're going to do again, area equals half of 7 times 15. So the area of this triangle is 52 and a half units squared.